Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Benny and I hope you guys are doing really well. If you're new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to never miss any updates. So I'm not going to talk much, so let's get into the video. We all know how easy it is to end up doom scrolling almost every single day. We watch reels, shorts and whatnot. So I came up with some Desi girl hobbies which will not only help you to break that endless scrolling cycle, but will also take you back in time and will definitely make you feel like a 90s Desi princess. Because they are not just hobbies, they are like mini ritual which will help you to take a pause and reconnect with yourself. You should take a break here and there because this creates more balance and peace to your mind. I'm so excited to share this with you all. I hope you all will like it. So let's get started. First one is my favorite. You can make flower tiaras. Just go outside, pick some fresh flowers, tie them together, make a cute flower tiara for yourself, take cute selfie, and it will make you look not less than a forest fairy. So colum is a beautiful tradition from Tamil Nadu. It is usually drawn at the entrance of the houses and temples, and it is quite similar to Rangoli, but here it is made by connecting small dots called pulli into beautiful symmetrical patterns called colum. This requires a lot of concentration, symmetry and patience. So it is not only creative but also acts like a good exercise for your brain. So this one is my favorite. So I really love dancing, and I'm not a classical dancer, but I really like those flowy Kathak steps. So I just pick a video from YouTube on my favorite song, a Desi song. If it's a tutorial, that's good, but if it is not, I slow down the video and I learn each and every step from scratch. If you're really into dancing, you can give it a try. If you're getting bored at home, you can try painting something, but instead of using synthetic colors, try to use natural colors from turmeric, spinach, rose petals and whatever you have at home, and try to create something out of it, paint it out. So it is such a funful and creative activity that you can try at home. If you love cooking, and we can make it more Desi girl coded, get yourself some banana leaves if it is around your house. I have one in my house. So you can try some traditional recipes from Granny's cookbook, or you can find many recipes on YouTube, Pinterest. Try them. Recently I found one recipe. So it is basically made with mangoes and coconut, red chili. You get to find many recipes like this, so you can try it out and you can romanticize it with your Desi touch, like serving it on a banana leaf. You can try using some Desi vessels. Yeah, you will love it. If you are a person who has a self-care day, good. If you don't have one, it is necessary. Take that pause, take a break, reconnect with yourself, nourish your body, soul and mind. It is really needed, and we are going to give it a Desi touch, and I am calling this a Desi princess ritual. Here on this day, we won't be using any kind of artificial products like shampoos, soaps, deodorant, and everything that we will be using should be homemade and natural, like a face pack made of Upton and body scrub made at home using herbal products. That's like how our mother and grandmothers did back in the 90s and 80s. This will not only help to relax your body and mind, but will also take you back in time and will make you feel like a Desi princess. I would love to make a separate video on this. If you don't want to miss that, subscribe to my channel right now. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you do, then don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Meet you all in my next video. Till then, bye.